Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most powerful and versatile creator laptops on the market right now, the MSI Creator 16, packed with the AMD Ryzen AI 9365, RTX 4060. But before we get into the full review, don't forget to check the link in the description below to get this laptop at the best price available today. Gear emoji, specs overview. Display, 16 inches WQXGA. 240Hz, 1610. Processor, AMD Ryzen AI 9365. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068GB. Memory, 32GB DDR5 RAM. Storage, 2TB NVMe SSD. Keyboard, Per-Key RGB backlit. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3. OS, Windows 11 Home. Bonus, bundle included, check link for details. Personal computer emoji, productivity meets performance. This is not just a gaming machine, it's a creator's dream. The Ryzen AI 9365 processor is blazing fast and optimized for multitasking, editing, 3D modeling, and of course, AI-enhanced workflows. You get lightning-fast responsiveness and buttery smooth performance across the board. Video game emoji, gaming capability. Don't let the creator name fool you, this thing can game hard. The RTX 4060 gives you solid performance in all modern titles with ray tracing and DLSS 3 support. Combine that with a 240Hz WQXGA display, and you get ultra-smooth, high-fidelity gaming visuals that are both immersive and competitive. Sparkles emoji, display and visual brilliance. The 1610 plus 240Hz WQXGA display is absolutely gorgeous, sharp, vibrant, and color accurate. It's perfect for video editors, graphic designers, and digital artists who rely on visual clarity and accuracy. High volume emoji, audio, build, and extras. You get studio-grade speakers, an ultra-premium metal chassis, and Wi-Fi 7 for ultra-fast wireless speeds. The Per-Key RGB keyboard isn't just for looks, it's incredibly responsive and customizable, especially if you like to set up your own macros or shortcuts for editing. White check mark emoji, final thoughts. The MSI Creator 16 is one of the most well-rounded laptops of 2025, perfect for gamers, streamers, YouTubers, and creative professionals alike. With its powerful specs, top-tier display, massive storage, and future-ready connectivity, this machine is built for those who demand the best. Right pointing finger emoji, if you're ready to upgrade your creative or gaming setup, make sure to hit the link in the description below and grab yours at the best available price today. This laptop doesn't disappoint.